Once a man went to visit his friend. His friend was a good host. He welcomed him and treated him well. The man spent a few days visiting with his friend, and when it was time for him to go, his friend said, "I have an extra horse. Why don't you take the horse as a gift from me?" The man replied, "You are very generous, but I couldn't take a horse from you as a gift. That will be too much. I don't mind walking back." The friend said, "No, it's your horse now. Take your horse. It's a gift, take it." The man thanked his friend and gratefully mounted the horse and rode away. 10 days later, he came back to his friend's house. The friend was happy to see him back and welcomed him. The friend got worried and asked him, "What happened? Why are you back so soon?" The man replied, "I don't know what happened. I was on my way and everything was going to fine. Then all of a sudden, the horse turned around and started heading back here. I tried everything, but no matter what I did, the horse wouldn't listen. He just came right back to your house." Friend understood what happened and said, "I understand this horse was born and raised here. This place is all he knows. He is attached to it. With little training, he would learn to listen to you." So the man stayed at his friend's house for a few more days and tried to train the horse to listen to him. The man left again and thanked his friend for his gift and help. But then again, after 10 days, the man was back with the horse. The friend said, "Welcome again, my friend. It looks like you didn't get that far. What happened this time?" The man replied, "The same thing as last time. I passed 2 towns, but as I entered the 3rd town, the horse just stopped. He turned around. I tried to stop him. I kicked him, yelled at him, but the horse simply wouldn't listen. Horse headed right back to your house and didn't even stop until we reached." The friend realized what needed to happen and said, "I think we need to give the horse a proper training with you. Then he will listen to you. After training, you can have him take you anywhere you like." So, for the whole next month, a friend helped man to train his horse. After the month ended, the man left once again. A friend and his wife bid farewell to him. After he left, the wife asked, "You were overly kind to this fellow. First, you gave him a horse, and then he came back twice. We hosted him and gave him everything and even helped him train the horse for the whole month. Did we really have to do all that for him? Wasn't giving the horse was enough?" He replied to his wife, "Everyone likes to get gifts. It's very good to get a gift from someone. But what if someone doesn't know how to use it? What is the use of the gift? A person may need some help and maybe even some training to make gift useful. Who do you think should give that training?" You see, in life, in your life, similarly, God has given all of us a great gift. It is the gift of our mind. We can use our mind to do everything good in our lives. But sometimes we don't know how to use our own mind, and so it gets us into trouble. That's why God sends holy people to train us on how to use our mind. Once we train our minds, we don't ever have to be unhappy again. Our lives become filled with happiness. Thanks for watching. This is Palta Motivation Stories, and stay blessed.